As a teacher, log into your Oxford OWL account and select Manage Classes. Open the class you wish to add new members to by clicking the spanner icon. There are two ways to add new students or teachers to an existing class. Option 1. Select Find or Create. To add a new student or teacher, click the Create Users tab. For students, enter their name and a unique student ID. For teachers, enter their name and email address, then select Create. Please instruct the new teacher to visit www.oxfordOwl.com.au/signin/email.html to set a password. Option 2. Upload class lists. Select Upload Class List. Select Primary Template to download a CSV file template. Open the file and populate the template with the required information, including both student and teacher details. Mandatory fields are year, year level, first name and last name, student ID, email, and role. Ensure the email addresses in the email column are not hyperlinked, as this will cause an error. If emails are highlighted in blue, right-click the column G header or the individual cell and select Remove Hyperlink. Save the file to your computer and close the document. Ensure the file is saved in CSV format. Return to Oxford OWL and select Upload. Find the CSV file on your computer and upload it onto the system. A loading screen will appear. Once the document has uploaded successfully, the class list will appear with the information you have provided. Click Next to confirm. Toggle the Overwrite Existing Primary Student Passwords switch to green if you wish to reset the passwords of all students. Select Close to complete the upload. The new classes will now appear in the Classes tab. To see all new classes, make sure the Show filter is set to show all classes. Assign a product to each class by clicking on the grey hazard symbol with an error message next to each class that is missing the product link. To select a product, click the blue arrow to expand and then select a specific title from the expanded list by clicking the grey arrow. Once selected, the arrow will turn green. Click Save when done. If you can't find the product you're looking for listed, this means you do not have an active subscription for the product in your library. Please contact the Oxford Customer Service team.